Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Quantower.com. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a multi-asset and multi-connect trading platform for any trader, and it is free to start. So basically, you download the app and you can just customize the trading environment right here. So each panel is separate, panels can be organized, save any custom panel, set the diverse settings, and a lot more. And if you go on over here to Trustpilot, they're also rated 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is excellent. So they also have 280 reviews. So let's go over some reviews right here. So this person said that Quantower is a great software. So trading was using Tradovate, but they had so many issues. Quantower was 5 months ago. I've been using, very impressed. They're great. There are the greatest trading platform, main value, often releases, and permanent improving. I'm impressed by the software so far. Let's see more reviews right here. Always here to help. Screen share fix on the fly. 10 out of 10. Customer service. Thanks for walking me through the process. Amazing. So basically, the reviews so far are saying that the customer service is great. So Quantower provides great charts, platforms, technical. Very good customer support, perfect and fast support, great support, best support team, and basically they seem pretty legit with 283 reviews, and most of them are positive. So if you want to go and try this platform out or this software out, go ahead and do it. So that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.